Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Honda Accord owner's manual. I'm doing a quick information video this time on the Honda Accord owner's manual. I have a 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid, so a little bit different from the other Honda Accord, but it still comes in the manual. So once you take your packet out, you notice that the 2019 owner's guide is not an owner's manual. 2019 warranty, 2019 consumer information. Where's the owner's manual? Is not included. You notice that, right? Probably maybe a cost savings, or maybe they're saving the trees. I don't know, but it's not included. There's no way they could fit all that concise information in this little booklet. So there's definitely should be a owner's manual. So the dealer did tell me honestly that you need to actually go online, to ownershonda.com, and I'll post the link in the description as well. And you do need your VIN number, okay? Just a repeat, you do need your VIN number before you can order that. So there's a 6-month period that you need to order. After that, they charge you money for it. So like I said before, I only have the owner's guide, the hybrid owner's guide, which doesn't have everything. I also have the consumer information guide, and also the 2019 hybrid warranty information. All right, not counting anything else like advertisement and stuff like that. So I did order it in my case, and it took a few weeks to come. 2019 warranty information for the hybrid, 2019 hybrid owner's manual. So you may have a regular Accord to be the regular Accord owner's manual. So notice this one is quite thick and is detailed, a lot of details, a lot of pages. In my case, it's over 660 plus pages. So it's really worthwhile, in my opinion, if you get this manual. Should you have a question or have a problem, it would be handy. Leave it in your car, so just in case if you get into a situation, you do have the manual. So that's something I want to share to help you out. The owner's manual is no longer included in your vehicle when you purchased. I'm very surprised when I found out, but like I said before, I could understand the cost savings. I could understand that they don't want to print it out and mail it, and it does cost quite a bit of money as well. Or you could just go online and get the PDF version. The PDF version, you don't need the VIN number, okay? You just go to the owners.honda.com and you could actually download it, okay? So you actually could download other manuals as well too. However, if you need to get the manual, you got 6 months to do it, and you need the VIN number, okay? So that's why I emphasize that. Hope you liked the video, and hopefully this helps you out as well too. Really appreciate a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye.